So good morning. I'm very happy to be here in Cyprus and honored to be here at the Cyprus Fintech Summit this morning. We'll spend the next 9 to 10 minutes speaking about how Amazon Web Services supports the journey to generative AI and agentic AI. So I will start by saying that financial institutions already are transformed by generative AI. This isn't something that we expect to happen in the future. It's happening now, and we see organizations like Allianz, Bloomberg, New York Life, New York Stock Exchange, Bridgewater, Standard & Poor's Global already deploying large language models and using them for mission-critical operations. So they migrate legacy workloads, they investigate compliance, they do the research, they do email classification, and all the cases that you see on this slide are happening on Amazon Web Services on AWS Cloud. So we are already having a lot of customers, big names that are already seeing results, and this is really important for what is coming next. So what we see practically, and it has been mentioned many times today from the other previous keynote speakers, is that we see basically the transformation and the evolution from what we just used to call the AI assistant era, which is not that old. I mean, it's just 2 years old, but we're moving from this to what we call the agentic AI era. So we move from systems that are supporting ourselves on our day-to-day business to agentic AI systems that are autonomous and they can action on our behalf, completing complex tasks without actual supervision. So this is essentially the beginning of what we would call the GenAI without human oversight. And of course, anyone who wants to embark on this journey needs to have a very strong partner to help them along the way. We expect to see the rate of agentic AI adoption to rapidly increase over the next several years. And obviously, we already mentioned what agentic AI is. So basically, these are autonomous systems that can leverage AI for reasoning, for planning, and for completing end-to-end tasks, either single agent or multi-agent systems. And of course, they solve the problem not just by answering a question, but by establishing a process, by exploring, by collaborating with other agents, and by refining the results and the resources in order to get to a correct answer, a correct solution. So how do we see the real-world impact of this kind of assistants and agents? We see customers like Bridgewater using investment analyst assistant already for autonomous investment analysis and market research. We see data management from Athene, which is processing and analyzing complex financial documents. We see many other examples like intelligent email classification, hyper-personalized customer service, enhanced developer productivity, and also financial crime prevention with financial crime agent that helps to surface key incidents and key insights. So they are not pilot projects, they are real-world projects. They are delivering measurable value today, and they're running on AWS. I would say that AWS can offer 3 paths to use agents, choose the right model, and then you proceed accordingly. So you do have Amazon Q, which is a ready-made agent, software as a service that you can adopt and go to improve your productivity and workflow. And then you also have the option of building your own agent using Bedrock, Amazon Bedrock Agent Core, or for expert developers, you can also build on AWS using open source frameworks. And I'll go very quickly across the three options. So Amazon Q, this is a series of AI assistants or agents where you can see different flavors of the service. For example, Amazon Q Developer is one of the most capable GenAI-powered assistants for software development and is used by thousands of developers across the world in order to help them improve their productivity and rewrite legacy code, write new code, document it, test it, and it helps them throughout the entire development lifecycle. Amazon Q Business is a very capable GenAI-powered assistant and agent for leveraging the company's internal data. So it helps you get to the answer faster, use your organization data in order to get faster results. And of course, there are other tools like, for example, Amazon QuickSight, which is an AI-powered BI tool and is now part of Amazon QuickSuite and helps you to visualize the data and get high-quality reports using AI. And then if you want to build your own agents, then you have to leverage Amazon Bedrock, one of the most sophisticated platforms as a service in the market today, offering access to a choice of foundation models and large language models from the top providers, like Anthropic, OpenAI, Mistral, and many others. And Amazon itself, by the way, providing Amazon Nova models. So what it is essentially is a platform that, over the use of APIs, can help you access these models, but also it provides built-in orchestration, security guardrails, and responsible AI use. The key differentiator here is that it can help you build agents very fast and easily to help you execute multi-step tasks using your company systems and your own data sources. And practically, this means that for those who want to build, it is a platform that helps you to build agents with a choice of leading foundation models safely and responsibly, and without worrying about managing a lot of infrastructure. So you select your foundation model, you provide the basic instructions, you select the relevant data sources, you specify the available actions, and then the agent breaks down, orchestrates the tasks, securely accesses and retrieves company data for using RAG, and then it takes action. It invokes the APIs that are needed on your behalf. It has the full chain of thoughts and reasoning and the ability to modify and remodify the prompts until it gets to the right result. And of course, we can have also, beyond reasoning, behind the scenes, we can also have multi-agent collaboration. So practically, we have a main agent that acts as the leading agent, and it hands out tasks to other more specialized agents. I think it was also part of one of the previous keynote presentations. So this teamwork between agents allows the group to tackle much bigger challenges, much bigger tasks. This capability enhances problem solving and leads to a success rate that is up to 40% higher compared to other solutions from what we know from our current benchmarks. And also, this capability reduces the number of configuration steps by up to 70% versus other solutions. So this is really a very important and very good tool for you to use to build your own agentic AI solutions. How we can help you? So obviously, AWS is here to help you in many ways. We deliver also in Cyprus frequently. We deliver immersion days, workshop. We provide training and certification. We help you leverage our AWS Skill Builder platform to build the right skills. At the same time, we offer a series of programs. I would mention just one, which is the Generative AI Innovation Center, which is a team of specialists scattered across Europe and helps you create prototypes and proof of concepts. And then, of course, We have our partners, our AWS partners, and I'm here today supporting our AWS advanced partner, Patsakas, who are ready to help you to make your first steps, have your proof of concept, and then move this idea to production. So I would say, by closing, financial services industry is at a defining moment. We expect that the technology is now proven and the implementation path is becoming more clear with all the tools and platforms that AWS can offer. And the question is not whether you will implement agentic AI or not, it's how quickly you can move, and we are definitely happy to support you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.